Hi friends, very good morning to all of you and welcome to Auditology with me, your friend, your guide, CA Niket Thacker. Now today we are going to discuss a term known as limited review. What this word? Limited review. Yes, all the listed entities, I repeat, all the listed entities are required to publish quarterly, unaudited but reviewed financial information. All listed entities have to publish quarterly, unaudited but reviewed financial information. So I can understand limited review comes only for listed entities. So sir, how is it different from audit? What is the difference between audit and that limited review which is only for listed entities? Before that, very important announcement. The prices at Unacademy are hiking soon. I'm telling you, the subscriptions will become a bit costlier. If you or any of your friends want to take up a subscription, this is the best time. To get your subscriptions at early as possible, you can use code YESHASH, YESHASH. You can use code YESHASH or also you can use the code YESHASH Live. Anything you use, you'll get minimum 10% discount. The prices are hiking. Take your subscription at earliest. Now coming to today's term. Limited review. I told you limited review is not for all entities, it's only for listed companies. We know company audit, as per Companies Act, audit is required, that's called company audit. Company audit is for all companies. But as per income tax, we need a tax audit. But a tax audit is for entities whose turnover exceeds 1 crore. The company audit is for all companies. Tax audit is for entities or SSEs, even sole proprietorship, partnership, having a turnover exceeding 1 crore. Limited review, ये review है, audit नहीं, review. And this is only for listed entities. They have to publish quarterly, unaudited but reviewed financial information as per the SEBI requirement. Sir, file कहाँ करना है? They have to file this to stock exchange. They have to file this quarterly, unaudited but reviewed financial information to stock exchange. Now, review is not as detailed as audit. I repeat, review is not as detailed as audit. Review primarily comprises of one, inquiry with management, पूछताछ, and second, we do analytical procedures. Oh, we already done a term, analytical procedures. If you want to understand meaning of analytical procedure, there's another video for it, already done. So analytical procedures, we analyze the ratios and trends. We identify significant fluctuations and investigate them. Under limited review, we are not doing procedures which are as detailed as audit. We are restricting to two things. Two चीज करेंगे. One, inquiring with management, and number two, analytical procedures. We analyze ratios and trends. Wherever we identify fluctuation, that we investigate. That's it. That's it. We are not doing as detailed as audit. The question, can I give a same level of assurance in limited review which I was giving in audit? Remember, audit may we give a reasonable assurance. Sir, here we have done a lesser audit procedure or lesser procedures. If I have done a lesser procedures, can I say the level of assurance will also be lesser? So audit, we give a reasonable assurance. Under limited review, we give a moderate assurance. So reasonable was high but not absolute. Reasonable का meaning क्या था? High but not absolute. Moderate is a medium level of assurance, not high assurance. Plus the way of giving assurance. The way. In audit, you tell in a direct manner. आप direct manner में बोल रहे हो, the financial statements are showing a true and fair view. But under review, you don't tell in direct manner, आप indirect manner में you're telling. For example, if you want to go to a destination, you want to go to some destination, there are two routes. There are two routes, route A, route B. One of your friends says, take route A. Okay? And second friend says, don't take route B. I say, both are telling same thing. One guy is telling, take route A. Second guy is telling, don't take route B. Ultimately, both are telling same thing. But can I say the way of telling is different? Audit may we directly tell it, it shows a true and fair view. So that's a positive way of giving assurance. In review, there's a negative way of giving assurance. What do we write? Pay attention. Based on the procedures performed, which do not give all evidences as are required in audit. Based on procedures performed which do not give all evidence which are required in audit, nothing has come to our attention which causes us to believe that the financial statements are not prepared as per the applicable financial reporting framework. So nothing has come to our attention which causes us to believe that the financial statements are not prepared as per the applicable financial reporting framework. मेरे सामने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं आया जिससे मैं बोलूं they are not showing a true and fair view. Indirectly, I'm telling it shows a true and fair view, but I'm not telling it directly, I'm telling it indirectly. It's a negative way of giving assurance. Okay, let's see over here. So all listed entities, sirf listed entities are required to publish quarterly unaudited but reviewed financial information. And review comprises of inquiries with management analytical procedures. When I say it's not as detailed as audit, we don't give a same level of assurance. So under review, we give a moderate assurance, not a high level of assurance. And the way of giving assurance is negatively. See, the objective kya hai? Is to state whether on the basis of procedure which do not provide all evidences which are required in audit, anything has come to your attention? Well, right, nothing has come to our attention. This causes us to believe that the financial statements are not prepared as per the applicable financial reporting framework. Now, sir, what is applicable financial reporting framework? Oh, we already done it. So we have a separate term AFRF already covered. Simple words mein laws and regulation, but if you want to understand detail, you can go to that separate video on applicable financial reporting framework. So review is not as detailed as audit. It is kind of inquiries, analytical procedures. And यहाँ पे the way of giving assurance is not positively, negatively है. And as it is not as detailed as audit, we don't give high level of assurance, we give a moderate assurance. And this is only for listed entities. I hope you are clear with the word limited review. If you want me to discuss any terms related to audit, ping me up, write down in the chat box. And if you like this videos, press the like button, subscribe to our channel and share it with all your friends. See you again next time with a new terminology. Till then, bye-bye, take care.